The break and continue statements alter the flow of control. The break statement, when executed in a while or for loop or do while or switch structure, causes immediate exit from the structure. Execution continues with the first statement that follows the structure. Common uses of break statements are to exit prematurely from a loop or to exit a switch structure. Meanwhile, the continue statement, when executed in a while or for or do while structure, skip the remaining statement in the body of that structure and proceed with the next iteration of the loop. Now let's check it out. Let's see how to write break and continue statement. So to do that, I'm going to create new tab again and call this break and continue statements. Next, we drag the button here. We don't need anything except button, and change this to break and then continue statements, and double click this to have a break and continue statement. So we'll make string output equals empty string. Then we can now say for int I equals 1, I less than or equal to, let's say 10, I plus plus, just increase it. Oops, again end. Next, we need to tell this that if I is equal to 7, begin end, break out of the loop. So we can now say output equals let's say output plus equals I plus space, so that I'll be able to get what I'm trying to show you to get it better. Now message box that show this. Now let's show output. Message box that show outputs. Save this and then run the. Let's start our application and go to break and continue and click break and continue. Notice that with the break statement now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Immediately the for loop gets to 7 as we break out of the loop, and can never reach 10 except we remove the break statement. Now let's check the continue statement out. So instead of using break, let's use continue. Save. This time around I want it to be 5 and run this code. Go to break and select this. We now have 1 2 3 4. There's no 5 now. 6 7 8 9, and we have the 10. So that's the difference between break and continue statements.